wahala for who no get husband we go back am. For us wey dey single, us wey never even, you understand? Now so this lady just come outside. Don't say many of una know am. Her name na Anita Joseph, na Nigerian celebrity, actress to be precise. If una see how they baff, in fact, her husband they baff her, they totori everywhere, all the corner. They just come outside, they whet people appetite. I bet me no be like say I don't carry am but they come outside, you understand? For una we don't know who be Anita Joseph, una never see her in towel and in those things. Join me, make we watch the video. Hey, now wow. Like my mouth self not even close. Chineke. Some kind things wey just dey happen these days, I no just understand. I just get one question for celebrities. Which kind example una dey give una followers, una people wey no say they look up to una? Which kind example una dey give am? No, which kind celebrity now come be this one? And una go dey look am now, many of una dey clap, many of una dey shout, una dey, oh come on, go on, mama. Una go see bad thing, una no go talk say this thing bad. Make person answer me now, wetin be the lesson, moral lesson now wey dey behind this video? Wetin be the moral lesson wey dey behind this video? E dey teach una how to do wetin? I just dey ask o. Because I not just understand. You know, go they bring some kind of things outside. And no. Wait, so as you bring her outside now, what may we do? May we come cook for you. I beg when next to see you, may we jobale. I be make it. Many celebrities need wisdom and maturity. Many of una need wisdom and maturity because una no get them. You lack wisdom. You lack maturity. You understand? Are they in the English mood now? Many celebrities matter una dey see outside for una to see some people just dey childish. No, may we start dey mention Rita Dominic or Motola or Genevieve, all those people where they come outside, where they baff, they do video, post am. Una no dey reason some kind things sometimes. Keep your what do they call that thing? Personal things personal. Especially all these thick things. All these intercourse things, all these, you understand? All these senge-menge. Keep them personal. Nobody need to know about them. See, we don't care. Wait till you want to tell us, your husband is sexy. We know. He's romantic. We know. He dey do you well. We know. He is this one. We know. So which one come be the part where you just they bring us and him. Now get time. Oh. Now get time. And because of people like this, people just they go under pressure. One commit suicide, one they pressure men, they marry them. Because of this nonsense, they bring outside. Tomorrow now you go, yes, say a woman kidnap man because he refused to marry her. Because of all these things, now the example one why you know if you come outside, talk better things so that when person hear you, you go get answers to that thing where you don't they look for sins. Now there we go know say you get wisdom. Make una know they carry the way by all these people. I don't tell una this thing before. No, don't be carried away by them. They fight, but they not go bring that one outside. If they possible say your husband said go they beat am, they not go bring that one outside. They go just they bring the one way go they mislead everybody. Which kind of nonsense necessity with this one? Now only sweet part when I go they bring come outside. Not me. I don't fit for this one. The people who fit for and they know me. lie, I don't fit because I already know all una in and out. My people, now the matter be this. So if you believe say wetin she post, they good, still drop her for that side. And you know say I dey here for una go reply una one by one. But if una there with me, still drop her for that side. You understand? We need share this video now so that everybody go know say no be see select una celebrities, select una role models. Very very important. Now this thing that they teach you now. Make sure say you subscribe or abeg. If not, you go dey miss everything we will get for you for this house. Stay tuned for the next story. Onye money marama mbombo. Hey! Onye money marama mbo. Onye tiriri anane marama. Hey, my people, our number 6, aka Auntie Reggie, she don't carry. Why not they do like this? Which one be we waiting she carry? Why not they do like small children? She don't want the thing. You don't understand? Hey, Baba Ne don't score. I bet for now we don't even know what thing they happen because I know say as I don't talk this, all of una eye don't open puppy. Because join me, make we watch our number 6.
Respect
I actually for a second
pregnant again.
Hey! Una don't see am, una don't, in fact, una don't hear am. They even talk am for the video. No, una hear am. Me una no to say, hey, I don't come again. Una hear am, my people. Now wow, this one now, Regina don't come now. She dey come add another badge to the costume where she get already. You understand? You know how if you be uniform person, you don't graduate or you don't do something good, they come put another. She don't add another badge to the costume where they give her before. This one wey just happen, e go just increase in rank among the other wives. No more yeah, in case you don't forget yourself because before now fresh girl every corner. No more Regina the fresh oh. This one now listen very well. You don't join the mamas leagues. You be mama the mamas now. You don't join the other wives. They roll on that lane. So no more freshie. Time don't reach may Ned bring another fresh blood inside the family. I better bring our bring her outside. Ned, the greatest, the only man that's correct without a mistake. Nigerian King Solomon. Igwe. Hello. I greet you, sir. Person go see you now as you old. You just a deceive us. Person go come to say, nothing they there. They no say you on your own, eh? You be terrorist when it comes to that department. Chai! Hey, make una know they deceive though. These people, this man alone, in waste na fire. In waste they do and they undo everything. Nigeria number 1 striker. I just say, you know that's why when this matter reach me, the only thing where I picture now all these football players, how they score, how they in fact, now I can't shift the picture, is enter bedroom to these people level. I can't understand the whole thing. Only you, Ned, only you. 3 years old. 3 years where you and this girl don't day now. You date in this same 3 years, you can't score 2 goals. Well done, sir. Hey, well done, sir. So I greet you. In fact, my people, not be small achievement for this age. No, I know just understand because see, before I don't underestimate all these old men. If I see them, I don't underestimate them. If I see them, I don't underestimate them. I know just number people now. I don't come to the conclusion. Make una no underestimate any, or especially all these old politicians. No underestimate them because see. They deliver, they get stamina. No be the kind things where these people they do. You said you go they wonder say I don't know whether they take concussion. I don't know whether they you know say all these old men they like they mix some things. Especially the drinks where they take. I don't they suspect say they take something because their energy they pass for these young boys when they see you. All of una we no say una be young boy when I think say una they do pass for bed. This one no, this one in fact if I wish say I dey ready I go give Ned award. I go give her award because the kind wonder signs wonders everything. Now so wetin be this one Ned come outside he show mole. He come outside no according to her he won't prove to the whole wide world say in the capable, say in strong, say because matter been dey come that period. Say una remember that youngie dying on the young girl. I bet me we no enter inside that matter. Una remember that period people dey talk say the girl dey with her because of him money. He say na lie. You say the girl dey with her because he dey hammer. Now so as people dey talk now, he come outside and come say, okay, wetin I go do now make these people believe me? Nganu, I don't bring am come on screen. If una see how this man strong, no be for my mouth una go hear am. For una wey never watch am, never hear am before, join me make we watch Oshiomhole. No, una see am. Oh, I don't dey see this thing. I be like say me sef I go. I no talk anything. I just say because the energy you are dey see. Oh boy, no wonder Regina Daniels, because I don't dey think say na the toys. I been at the because I don't dey, you know, say before I been dey think say Ned no go do well. Regina Daniels need one hefty Dracula cobra wey go enter the corners of the angles of the circle. Hey, my people, now I don't believe her. No wonder she still dey there. No wonder she dey like she don't stick to the man. Say no matter what, leave her. Ned, now you have confirmed. In fact, you have confirmed to us. Say you get power in abundance. Power dey. No be the one when I dey talk, when I dey do this and that. My people, so now based on my own conclusion, as I don't see this thing like this, guess what? I have decided. Now there will be a challenge. You understand? Now I'm calling on King Solomon of Nigeria, King Solo. I dey call you now. No do like say you no hear me because me and you go get problem. You understand? I don't dey hear you since no for my hand. So you go come out now. Go do the I don't say you don't see video way Oshiomhole do. You go do the same thing. Prove to us. Say you know they take concussion. Say you get natural strength. That one way they use handle our number 6. You go do this video. Now the challenge what they give you now, King Solo and versus Oshiomhole. My people, who go win? We go see that one because I know say definitely Ned no the forehand. He go doing you because he go watch me today. And now for you, now go still see the outcome, the results. Now why if you never subscribe? I don't know what they do with your phone. I don't know what they use your data do because you go they miss all these plenty things. Start to subscribe now. Click on that bell. If not, you go miss am. My people, start to drop those comments for those comment section because this one is about to go down fire. And make sure say you share this video because Ned must hear me. How you go hear me if you no share am? Good. So start to share am now. Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story.